everyone, this is the KitchenAid mixer and lots of other stuff for Miss Jo Dickens, 20 at 18. Copy the list. Go live. 8:02. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 8:02. We have a 2, that won't work. And we have a 5. 8:03. 20 items on the list. 2, 3, 4. At the 4th time, we still have 20 items on the list. Maggie Wally is on the top. Miss Sue Williams is on the bottom. Randomized 4 times. The dice call for a 5. 8:03. Last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 12. Miss Beth Kane is the winner. Congrats, Miss Beth. 20 items on the list. 5 times. The dice call for a 5. Your verified code. And we are done at 8:03. Thanks, everyone.